Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I got this super cute braid out. If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So as you can tell from the intro, I will be showing you guys how I got my braid out. But before we jump into the video, I want you guys to hit that subscribe button. It really help your girl's channel out. So the products that I will be using is the Camille Love Moisture Milk Leave-In, and also the African Pride Moisture Miracle Hydrate and Strengthen Leave-In Cream. I'm combining these two products because my hair gets really dry over time and I want my braid out to last more than just a few days, so adding just a little bit more moisture to my hair will actually make the braid out last a little bit longer. So I'm starting off on stretch hair. As you can see, I put it in 4 braids and I left these braids in for a few days. Then I took them out and I re-braided them just to give it a more stretch look. I am actually trying to avoid using heat on my hair for a little while because I have been using heat excessively after my wash days. So this is another method that I use to stretch my hair without using heat. So the trick to getting very defined braid outs, in my opinion, or just your curls in general, is using aloe. So I have a mixture of water and aloe in a spray bottle that I'm going to be using to kind of dampen up my hair, but not with it too much because I don't want my hair to revert back completely. So I'm just adding that just for a bit more moisture. So this is my spray bottle with my water and aloe. Then I'm going to follow up with the Curl Love and then also the leave-in cream. And then I add oil to seal all of that in, and I will begin the braiding process. So I'm just gonna section off my hair. Well, it's already pretty much sectioned off. I'm just gonna kind of get it out of the way, and then I'm gonna just start in the back. So I'm just gonna take this out really quick. And this is what I mean by stretched. I'm going to spritz just a little bit on my hair. Not very much, just get it a little damp. Then I'm going to go in with the curl milk. Just a little bit. And I'm just going to smooth that all over. And then just a little bit of the cream. Just kind of smooth all that in. And just to seal it all in, I'm going in with some oils that I mixed up together. Just a little bit because it's very heavy. About that much. Maybe a little bit more. And then I'm going to take my dimming brush and just kind of smooth all of that through. I'm going to take a few sections and begin to braid. So this portion of the video is pretty repetitive, so I'm just going to let you guys sit and watch and see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm just going to kind of speed through this part. So for each section, I'm going to spray my hair with the aloe and water and add about a quarter size amount of the Curl Love milk and a little of the leave-in cream, and I'll follow up with the oil to seal all the moisture in. And I'm just going to repeat those steps until my entire head is braided. And I think I have about 4 braids in each section. so this is the finished look for my braids. Here's the back. And I'm gonna let these sit in my hair for maybe a day or two, depending on how long it takes to dry, which it shouldn't be very long because I didn't put very much product in my hair, so it should be done by the next day. And I will come back and I will do the takedown portion of this video and show you what the braid out looks like. So I'll see you in a bit. All right, you guys, I am back and it is the next day, so I'm ready to do my takedown. This is what my braids look like. They dry overnight, still pretty moisturized and pretty shiny and stuff, but I'm gonna add some oils to take down so that I won't cause any friction or any extra frizz. So I'm just gonna put some of these out of the way. I got my oil and we're gonna start with the first takedown. I'm just gonna rub that all over my hands like that and then take the first one down for you. And you want to take your time taking it down too, because rushing will cause extra frizz that you don't want. So this is the first braid taken down, and I will separate once I take everything else down together. Second braid. And I'm going to take the rest off camera, so I'll be back when I'm done. All right, y'all, so this is what my hair looks like when I took all of my braids out, and this is before I separate. So what I'm going to do is just kind of like pull each little piece apart, and I'm just gonna gently pull like this, and I may not do all of them, just a few pieces, and just kind of pull them apart a little bit just to give it a little bit more volume. And I missed the braid, so let me take that out real quick. So just separating, not very much. And then I'm just gonna rub my fingers through the roots like this to add a little bit more volume. This is it. Let me turn around and show you the back. This is the back. And I am gonna touch up on the edges really quick. All right, so I did my little baby hairs off camera. Not the best because I kind of rushed, but it's okay. I'll fix them later. But this is the final look, you guys. I hope you like this video, and I hope you like this method that I took to achieve this look. And if you would like more videos such as this one, don't forget to comment down below and let your girl know. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss another video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.